Good morning everyone and welcome to our pre-market free YouTube video for the day. Hope to find you all well and getting ready for our today free video, stock market roller coaster. We are really on a big roller coaster, big up down days from one day to the other, no follow through, we are all over the place, but basically we going nowhere. But we continue to see some relative strength on some names, so let's move into those charts and see where we stand right now. Looking for the SP 500 cash, so basically action all over the place. If you remember, on Friday we had a big move down, a retest at 50-day moving average. On Monday I was looking for a bounce up, it worked very well, bounce from the 8-day moving average, we played very nicely. Looking for a continuation from Monday, but what we had on Tuesday, bang, Mr. Trump tweet, and we had red day on Friday, green day on Monday, red day on Tuesday. Once again, yesterday, what it was expectable. On Tuesday, after Mr. Trump tweet, we had a bearish reversal candle. It was an ugly one. What it would be expectable on a normal market. Follow through, continuation for the next day. Didn't happen. So we are on playing here a very difficult tight range, killing both longs and shorts, playing from down day, up day, down day, up day. So today, what the hell is going to happen? No one knows. No one knows when it will come the next tweet, when it will come the next deadline. But one of the important things that we know is that we are making higher highs, okay? We are making higher highs, so higher lows. So the trend, it's very difficult. The trading has been very difficult, but the trend for now is been making higher highs, higher lows. So 34, 33 right now pre-market highs. We are making higher highs versus the recent highs, but we are on a big wall, okay? We are facing a big wall. What we need to break above 34.50 to go into 3500, okay? Otherwise, what can we see? We can see another reversal sell here. What is the trigger? Needs below 3400, okay? 3400 is the line that separates bulls from bears. If we go back below 3400, what are the levels that I'll be looking? 3373, 3359 and 3331. That's the last level. 50-day moving average breaks below, bad things can happen, okay? So very difficult and all over the place action. Same thing with Nasdaq, basically all over the place. So we are playing here from Tuesday session, down day, up day on Monday, down day on Tuesday, up day on Wednesday. Now what? We are trying to break, but we need to break 11,600. Right now, 11,572. So if we are going to move higher, we need Nasdaq to break out. So that's one of the things that I will be looking today. Will Nasdaq be able to break above 11,600? If yes, we can have a big short squeeze. The shorts will be forced to cover and we will have a big short squeeze higher. Otherwise, we can continue to range 11,200. That's the 50-day moving average. We are playing here 400 points range here on Nasdaq between 11,200 and 11,600. So it's a roller coaster, up day, down day, from one day to the other. So it's very tricky. Play wisely and manage your risk wisely. It's my suggestion. So, but we are seeing another name that I will be looking today, for example, is Apple. I was actually looking for a break higher on Monday. It was a beautiful candle on Monday, recovered the 8 and 21 day moving average very nicely, was looking to take out 117.72. Didn't happen. Mr. Trump tweet on Tuesday, bang, killed the momentum. Yesterday, they closed above the 8 and 21 day moving average, but basically the stock going nowhere, between 112 117. Now what? For continuation up, we need above 117.7 and we go into $120. Bear case needs below 112, yes, last week lows, and also the 50-day moving average playing for downside. Basically no man land, waiting for a break one way or the other. What else do I have on the watch list for you? One of the names that yesterday showed some relative strength I played, worked very well out of the gate. I saw some bullish options activity on the name. I jumped into those calls, locked very nice profits, closed a bit too soon because the stock skyrocketed to 30.53 on the as the eye of the day, but I'm very happy. Was able to generate very nice cash flow, and that's what you should be looking. You should be looking for where is the action, where we see options activity, where we see volume, either up or down. That will give us clues on and possible ways to generate cash flow. I didn't marry with the trade. I'm not buying and holding. I believe that's very risky right now during considering the market that we are having. We have one day up, one day down, one day up, one day down. So we are not having follow through. We are playing a tight range inside of the box. During these days, what you want to do, what I'm doing right now, trying to generate cash flow. Doesn't matter if the stock continues up and you missed continuation up. What is the relevant here and important? Generate cash flow on a daily basis. Worked very well yesterday. I locked very nice profits. Now what? If you are long, you should have trimmed profits on the move higher. The stock faded a bit, printing here a very ugly candle on fading from 30.5, but the stock is basically above all the key moving average. So while above $28 staying bullish, above 30.5 we have a gap to fill here all the way into $33 area, so that can be a target here on the work going forward. Another name that I played, OVERSTOCK. It worked very well. I basically jumped in, saw some volume jumping in, not sure if news. I saw bullish options activity and I saw a big volume spike. So I jumped in 1,000 shares at $78. I locked, sorry, at $82. I locked $2, okay, $2 from $82. I locked $2 profit here at 84. The stock even gone higher, 84.9. So $2 on 1,000 shares. $2 is 2,000 profits. So I get in, get out, and bang, cash flow for the day. I don't care if the stock goes higher today or the next following days. I'm expecting the stock to go higher. But I locked my profits. I generate cash flow, bang, move into the next trade. So now what? Here on Overstock, looking for a possible break higher. This right now we are facing a big wall, $85 to $87, a big wall. The basics on the technical analysis. 85-87 was a support once. It break below the support here, okay. Once a support is broken, it becomes a resistance. So that's one of the reasons yesterday I locked my profits. I saw some nice volume, nice momentum, but we are facing a big wall. So I locked my profits. Now I wait. If the stock breaks above $87, okay, what I'm expecting, a big move higher all the way into $100 area. So keep it on your watch. You see that Overstock is a big fast mover. See here that the stock this year slingshot higher, huge move all the way into $128. So this stock can regain once again $100 area. So keep it on your watch, and congratulations to all that jump into the trade with me yesterday. What are more names that I have on the watch list? New, it's curling for a possible break higher in next couple of sessions. Holding the 8-day moving average perfectly. On Tuesday, after Mr. Trump tweet, it stopped exactly at the 50-day to the penny, to the 8-day moving average. So the momentum still holding while above 20.8, while above the 8-day moving average. Yesterday, 2079, the 8-day moving average 20.8. So it stopped right at the 8-day moving average. The stock is curling for a move. What is the trigger? Needs above 22. Breaks above 22. The target is near 25. So keep it on your watch. Breaks below 20.8. What you have? 90.65. That's the next support line here on NIO. So keep it on your watch. Another one that worked very well, Grow Generation. I had some shares on Tuesday, $16, okay, $16. I had 1,000 shares there looking for upside on the stock. When the stock on Tuesday was going higher, I raised my stop to cap the profits. Due to the Mr. Trump tweet, I got stopped, but I kept my profits. I was able to generate very nice cash flow, but I missed the big move. So I had 1000 shares there. Yesterday it 1835. So it was more than 2000 profits once again on those shares. So that's trading. Okay, you can. Yesterday I got overstock. If it was overstock and growth generation, it would be very good. It was not the case, but even though the action worked very well here. So now what? The stock closed below my resistance line 70.5, closed at 70.36. Bull case is above 70.5 and take out 18.35. The target is $20. Staying bullish while the stock above $15. Breaks below $15, watch out, can lose the momentum and go back below $14 area. So keep it on your watch. Another name that I had to the watch list, GXAX. Why? It was one of the names that was highlighted on the hot stocks for the week, and I had the trigger $97, my line here $97, triggered yesterday. Very nice momentum. Day one on the move up from $97 to 103, so we have here more $6 profit from the trigger. Now what? Looking for possible continuation. Look for the last time the stock made a U bottom. Okay, I believe that the stock can take out above $110 in the next couple of sessions. This is a fast mover, so keep it on your watch. If you are long yesterday, day one, looking for possible continuation. If you are long, trim 1/3 of the position after the market opened, raise the stops on the rest and keep riding the momentum while it lasts. Another one that I have on the watch list, SRNE. Yesterday saw some bullish action on the stock, also some news. Bounced perfectly from the 8-day moving average 1071. That's the low from yesterday. The 8-day moving average 10.7, bounced perfect from the 8-day moving average. On a bullish trend, what you want to see? Higher highs, higher lows. So printing higher lows, now what? Needs to take out 12.18. So keep it on your watch, okay? Salesforce, another one that yesterday triggered a break higher, 257. It's $260, $3 here move. Day one on the break higher, looking for a possible continuation. If you are long, keep riding the momentum while it lasts. So basically, we have some very nice action on overall on the market, but the action is all over the place, killing both longs and shorts. So what I suggest you to do is look for leaders. Yesterday, for example, on the FANG, Netflix worked very well. It was one of the leaders, actually outperformed the rest of the names. So it's right now trying to face here a big wall around $550. Bull case scenario needs above 557 to take out 575. So if you are long, trim 1/3 of the position after the market open. I expect some profit taking around this area if it goes there. But you look for leaders. Yesterday Netflix was the leader. Now what? Now we are looking for Apple. Apple is going to be the next leader after yesterday inside day. Are we going to expansion up and break higher? If yes, we can have a breakout on Nasdaq. Nasdaq here. Let's put here Nasdaq. Nasdaq here is near the breakout point, needs to break, needs a leader. What will be? That's what I'll be looking. Are we going to have the leader or not to break 11,600 here on Nasdaq? Is SP500 going to hold the 3400? If it holds 3400, we can slingshot higher with shorts covering the position, but we need to see it. If you break back below 3400, then we can have a reversal sell, then you can scalp some shorts, okay, and go, for example, GXAX volatility popping up. It's right at the support. Okay, so 23, 24, big support. Volatility names can squeeze up, so that's a way to generate cash flow. Okay, if the market rollover, you look for VXX, you look for SQQ, you look for UVXY, some of those names. Okay, so hope this video helps you. Okay, and trying to give an overview on the market names that I'm looking. If you like this video, please give me a like, leave your comments below. Thank you all for watching. Wish you all a great trading, stay safe, and one of the most important things of all, be happy trading. Thanks everyone. Bye bye. See you.